Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Bubble. Let's dive into understanding their fundamental differences and how each platform serves distinct purposes in the digital product development landscape. Figma excels in design collaboration, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously on a single file. Bubble, on the other hand, empowers you to build fully functional web applications without writing a single line of code, handling everything from databases to user authentication. We'll explore when to choose one over the other for your next project. Figma shines as the industry standard for user interface and user experience design. It's a powerful vector graphics editor that allows for seamless real-time collaboration among design teams, regardless of their location. You can create everything from wireframes to intricate design systems, ensuring consistency across your projects. With features like auto layout and robust prototyping tools, Figma helps designers bring their visions to life with precision and speed, making it perfect for visual design and user flow mapping. Bubble revolutionizes web application development by enabling anyone to build powerful, data-driven applications without writing any code. This platform provides a visual programming interface where you can design your user interface, manage databases, and define complex workflows. From user authentication to payment processing, Bubble handles the back-end logic, allowing you to launch functional products quickly. It's an excellent choice for entrepreneurs and businesses looking to rapidly iterate and deploy web applications, saving significant development time and resources. Deciding between Figma and Bubble ultimately depends on your project's core objective. If your primary need is to create stunning user interfaces, develop comprehensive design systems, or collaborate on visual assets, Figma is your go-to tool. However, if you aim to build a fully functional web application with databases, user accounts, and custom logic without writing code, then Bubble is the clear winner. Many successful products leverage both, using Figma for the initial design phase, and then building the application's functionality with Bubble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.